Hi guys, so I'm going to be redecorating my room. Oh, I said that already. But I'm in Koiman. It's this, um, I don't even know what you'd call it, but it's like a, what is it? Like a home place, you know? Like it sells stuff, like decoration or home and building stuff, and I don't know. Anyway, I'm in Koiman. I'm looking for stuff to decorate the room because I'm actually switching rooms, which I also said already. Why am I repeating stuff? But I don't mind the music in the background. Hopefully I don't get like copyrighted for this. But I'm going to try and find stuff I can really decorate my room because I film my videos in my room, so I need it to look good. Okay, so I saw these like things. I saw those and I was like, oh, that'd be good on the wall. So I took it up. Anyway, looking for more stuff. I'll update you guys later. Okay, so we're at basically part 2 of this whole moving or redecorating room transformation. I don't know what it says. But I'm switching rooms, so I guess it's a room switch plus room transformation. But yeah, my old room, it's pretty much, don't mind the dirty ground, that's where the bed was. But it's pretty much empty. I have my stuff over here. It's an empty room. This is so weird. Like, it's so weird. Anyway, what I'm trying to do right now is kind of organize everything, so when I move to the other room, it doesn't become a headache. So I'm trying to like put everything together or straighten up the place. Because as much as my room is typically always messy, I don't like the mess. I think initially when I just start out, it's like going to the hotel room and the hotel room is dirty, you know? So I like my room to initially be clean, and then I may or may not pull it up. I'm not saying I'm messy. I may or may not pull up the room when I eventually move in. We don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'll see you at the next part of this video. All right, so I got I got a new thing. It's called a divider. Like, it's like a changing screen. You may see it in like English shows or something. Oop. I almost showed myself. Yeah, but you may see it in like English shows or something. It's called like a divider, changing screen, whatever you like to call it. So I got that. Like, it'd be really cool for like outfit videos sort of. So I have it for that. I already have my plans, which always have been there from like the longest while. But I'm getting stuff for my room. It's coming together nicely. I have to like clear it up. I have to like organize it a bit more, and then I can show you the final thing. Also, I got a tiny. I don't know why I got it, but I got it. Let me show you. Hold on, I have some stuff. I have a tiny table. Yeah, I have a tiny table. It's really adorable. Just got it. I may have it beside my bed and used in videos. Maybe need to take this off, but yeah, tiny table. That's basically it. I don't have anything else to show you guys, but when I do, I'll come back here. But my room is basically finished. Basically, not sure. We're thinking of getting a new bed. Don't know yet. But if we do, then this video may take a longer time to upload. So, see you soon. I'm really hot and the lighting is terrible, but I just came to give an update that I got the shoe organizer that I said I wanted to get. So I got these. It's basically like shoe boxes, as you can see here. So I'm going to go and pack up my shoes now, and I'll show you how it looks. And I'll show you how it looks after. So Top of the morning, folks. I just decided that this video needs to end. It is literally November, and I need to finish this video. Like, my room is basically done, but right now I actually, look, I'm not honest, I actually want a different bed, right? But then I'm fine with the bed I have right now, so I'm going to just kind of like, I'm going to just clean my room right now. So I'm going to just kind of insert into cleaning clip, and I'm going to show you the finished products, you know, because let me tell you, the bed I have right now is fine, because I initially wanted the bed because of the size of the room. So yeah, so I'm going to just clean my room and then I'll show you how everything looks. So